Okay, it's cooking down nicely. Hey guys, welcome back to another excited video. I'm here again, and today I'm going to prepare beef neck bone. Look at it, some nice beef neck here, and this is all my ingredients, and I blend some of all these ingredients here, and I put a little browning into it to marinate my beef neck. Okay, here I have celery, carrot, mashed potato, onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, two thyme. This is French thyme and this is a regular thyme with a little ginger, tomato, and all my pepper here, sweet pepper. Okay, I'm going to put everything together. I told you that I marinate some already in there, and I'm going to put some of these season over here, dry season over here, also added to it. And over there I have some broth to cook it down with. All right, I'll get this clean up and I will be right back. Always wash it with some vinegar. Okay, turn off this, some vinegar here, and we have an half a lemon over, put it in here, and we'll wash it. Take out some of the rawness, you know. All right, I'm just gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes over. So I think this is ready to strain off. A little water on it. Let it stay over there. Okay. Over here, I'm gonna put my dry ingredients. This is Miss Dash seasoning. Just gonna put one teaspoonful garlic, one. This is some jerk season, one. And I didn't have no pepper there, so I have the red pepper here. Okay, gonna put some there. Okay, some black pepper here. I'm not gonna drown it with a lot of yes, I already put the jerk, paprika, there's some paprika, that is half, and a complete season. Some complete season over here. I'm gonna put one, and a lemon pepper. Also gonna put not even complete one, but it's okay. All right, and a pinch of salt. This is a pink salt. And I'm gonna put, because I put a lot of that quarter. Yeah. This is some of this I marinate, and I put some browning into it. So can I soak it? Take it out because it's very rich. My seasoning, And I'm gonna throw everything in it and just rub it up, let it sit for around 20-25 minutes. Tomato, my peppers. I love to cook with all these stuff, okay? I love to cook with all these. And make sure to marinate some first. This is celery, okay? Carrot, Irish potato. My hand already clean. Before I start, I wash my hands, so I'm gonna rub everything together. Oh Lord. It smells good. My husband loves this. He loves it. So I said, I'm just gonna put it on mine, you see? Oh my God, it smells so nice. Everything together. Okay, looking good, right? Absolutely good. All right, I'm gonna put this to sit for like 20-25 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, my meat has been marinated for around, it's more than 25 minutes, you know. All right, so put a little oil in my pot and I've kind of fried it on both sides first. Just a little bit. Right, I try to take the fever from it. Okay, I just turn it over just because I just like when it fry, you know, on both sides. You nice on the passion, okay? So after this, getting the color good. After this, I put water on it and let it cook before I put my seasoning. Give it a little cook. Wow, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to throw a little broth on it and let it cook down. I'm not going to put my seasoning on it yet until it's tender. Then I don't want the Irish potato and the carrot to be mashed out. So when this cook a little, cook soft, I had all my season to it, and I also have some sweet peas. I'm going to put a half with this. Okay, so I'm going to make it cook down till it gets soft. I will come right back. Okay, it's cooking down nicely. What I'm going to do now is add my vegetable and everything to it now. See it? Look. Watch. Oh Lord, it's coming from the bone. See it? So tender. That's nice. Okay, so I'm going to add my Irish potato, carrot, and all these season to my pot. But before that, I'm gonna put some brown in here. Over here, I'm gonna put a little brown in. And some ketchup, okay? Yes. I'm gonna put a little ketchup here. Okay. So I put a little brown in and a little ketchup. I'm gonna spin it together. And I'm gonna add it here. Okay? Looking good, right? Okay, I'm gonna allow this to cook around 10-15 minutes. And then I can, on low. I'm gonna put it on low now to cook. Here, put the stove on low. And make it take time simmer down, okay? And I'm going to put a little in half. Peas, I'm gonna put around half of it. This up here, so let this cook down. Looking good, right? Cover it. Okay. Before I cover it, I'm gonna put a piece of butter. Piece of butter. Alright, I give that 10-15 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is my finishing look. Yes, so I'm gonna get my husband to come and enjoy his dinner. Okay? Ozzy?
Yes, honey.
Right here, baby.
Alright, come in, sweetie.
You helped me a lot, so I have to give you something to eat now. Let
Oh
you have
Lord, this is
something.
looking so delicious.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yes, we can have a taste of this now. It's so soft. Honey, this is so delicious. I can put your foot and your hand into this one. That tastes a little piece more, man. Guys, this kind of oil looking so soft and looking so nice. Wifey, why I tell you something? I put on this fork, this knife, and and this fork, because I taste the bone. Man. Guys, it's so nice. The bone is as juicy as the meat.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Finger licking, guys.